It may not be as dramatic as February's video showing the dramatic landing on Mars of NASA's Perseverance rover, but the departure of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST or Webb, from Earth's orbit just got the HD treatment. The video, which was shot by a camera from Irish company Rilter Space Systems Engineering on board the upper stage of the Ariane 5 rocket that took Webb into orbit, has now been made publicly available. Webb's separation from the Ariane 5 occurred at 12:47 and 14 seconds GMT on Christmas Day, with its solar array deployed 69 seconds later, capturing sunlight to power the observatory. Our last view of Webb is also available to download on the European Space Agency website. It's also on YouTube. A slew of amateur astronomers also caught glimpses of Webb post-launch as it flew across the constellation of Orion. This video, shot in the Czech Republic by amateur astronomers Zdeněk Barton, shows Webb in the Orion constellation while it was 350,000 miles distant. The sequence was shot prior to its sun shield folding out, an action that will increase its surface area and make it shine brighter, so Webb only appears. It's about the same brightness as a very dim star and can't be seen by the naked eye. Come early January 2022, after the unfolding of its sun shields, it's hoped that Webb will be a little brighter, albeit further away. Bright enough, hopefully, for it to show up easily in observations from Earth. The Virtual Telescope Project, which published this image of Webb, is planning a live feed during which it will show in real-time Webb being observed from ground-based robotic telescopes. Its live feed is scheduled for January 7, 2022, starting at 21:30 UTC. As it travels nearly 1 million miles to its destination, the second Lagrange point, L2, Webb will undergo a complex unfolding sequence. There are 300 single-point failure items, 50 parts and 178 release mechanisms. The sun shield has 5 super-thin layers, dozens of hinges, motors, gears, springs and 312 feet of cables. The 107 myriad release mechanisms need to fire on cue to erase the 5 layers. NASA is providing regular updates on its Webb telescope blog, Where is Webb? Interactive Tracker and a Deployments Explorer. After it's arrived at its observing location, which it will do by the end of January, the instruments will be gradually switched on and tested. After half a year of commissioning in space, Webb will start its routine science observations and deliver its first images. Wishing you clear skies and white eyes.